Hi everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here. How are you doing today? Welcome to my channel, and if you are returning, I want to say a special thank you to each and every one of you. I really appreciate you, and I thank you so much for helping me reach my 700 subscribers. And I do have that giveaway still going on, and it runs through July 10th. So if you are new, you might want to pop over there and check that out. And while you're doing that, you may want to subscribe so you'll be eligible to win. You must be publicly subscribed. Okay guys, I have a box for us today. It is our little puppy box, and it is the Pup Mom Crate. And I hear something kind of shaking and rattling there, and I don't know that it sounds good, but we'll find out when we open it up. But guys, this is a box for your puppy and for mom. It runs $39 a month. It may be $39.99. You can get it at a better rate if you do a 3-month, 6-month, or 12-month contract. I have been on a 6-month contract. I'm going to take a little bitty break from this box, but I will tell you it has been a great subscription, and my puppy, they do like it, but I may check into some other puppy mom type boxes so that I can bring y'all something new. Now, we're going to get in this box and find out what they sent us. Okay guys, I do have a little story and confession to make. It was already open. You know why? Because when the UPS guy brought it to me, he said, "Ma'am, I think we need to send this back." And I said, "Why?" And he goes, "Because there's something broken in there." And he was kind enough to open it up for me, and we looked in there, and there is a broken product in here. And I'm going to give you a sneak peek right here, but I'm going to come back to the broken product story in just a little bit. Okay guys, this is our product card. And they have gone digital just like everybody's starting to do. You guys know that I'm not a big fan of that, but I guess I might as well get used to it because it's happening to me left and right. I just like the old-fashioned way. Just put it on a piece of paper, please. Okay, let's see what we have here. We have the June crate, and it says, "Welcome to your amazing June Pup Mom Crate." Hey guys, I know I told you what the subscription is. It's about $39 a month. But when you sign up, she has deals, and you might could get it for half price, or you might get a BOGO deal where you buy one box, get one free. Just go to her site and find out from there what's the best deal for you. But anyway, she goes, "Due to popular demand, we brought back some of our highest rated items for our new subscribers." And I'm not a new subscriber, so I'm not overly thrilled with the news. "Below is a list of all the different products you may have received in your crate." And it says, "If you accidentally received a repeat item, please let us know." So I guess, it's showing us some of the items, and then we'll take a look-see through here and see what we have and see what's duplicated. But the first item that I'm pulling out of here, which my little puppies have not gotten, are these 3 little unicorn toys. So that's kind of nice. They're getting to have a little bit of toys. We're going to get usually 2 or 3 toys. And this may be the only toy. They may count this as 3. I'm not sure. It's usually around a $10 value. And we're going to get some snacks. And we usually get 2 or 3 packs of foods, like snack foods. And it can be either chews or other kinds of foods. But we got these, and these always have squeakers. They're made really good. I mean, as far as the quality of them, really nice. That much I can say for sure. So we have our little unicorns. And something else that I'm reaching in here for is, oops, something that's broken. Yeah, this is just like totally busted. And since we're on the busted piece, I will tell you, because the UPS guy gave me the option of sending back, he also gave me the option of accepting, and they wrote damaged on there, and gave me opportunity to contact Pup Mom. And I want you to know, she got back with me like lickety-split that day and said, "I'll have a new one out in the mail to you tomorrow." Well guys, I got this within a couple of days. So when she found out that the product broke in transit, she didn't mess around about sending another one. So we're going to get to actually see this in one piece. So if I can get it open. So she sent it in another box. They've got it wrapped up nice and tight. Oh, and it's all in one piece. Yay! So we don't have a busted jar. Isn't that cute? I'm so glad she was able to send me another one. I was afraid she'd have to tell me that she sold out. So it is a jar that you can put your little doggy bones in, or, you know, you could even put candy and stuff in here if you wanted to. Wouldn't that look cute at Christmas time with a bunch of peppermints in there? So I love this. I love jars that have the sealed lid, and that's going to come in handy. And of course, this one here that's all busted will be getting in the trash can right away. So yay for her. So that just goes to show on customer service, they will make up things to you, and she got it out to me like pronto. She did not mess around. That's a plus. Okay guys, the next item that I'm seeing is some pup food, and it looks like it's the Nandy Premium Treats, and this is tendon chews. I don't know if my dogs will like this or not. They've never had this, so this will be a new product for them to try out. I am seeing another product, and it is a Charcoal peel-off mask. Ooh, now that sounds interesting. And there's no like information as far as trying to tell me any details about this mask. I can just tell you that it's in this box, and that it's a deep cleansing, and it's a peel-off mask, and it helps remove dead skin cells and minimizes the appearance of pores, improves skin elasticity, and helps restore clear, smooth complexion. So sounds pretty good. I think so. And that's for the mom, of course. And then I see one other item for the mom. I think there's some glass pieces in my socks. Don't want any glass on my feet, do I? I'll have to make sure to shake that all out really good. But aren't these socks adorable? Oh my goodness, I love them. I love the little blue socks with the little doggy bones on there. Those are so cute, and they're nice and soft, so that's a win. And these are usually around $9 or $10 for some socks. I really don't know the value. I can say I paid about, what did I say, $38 is what I pay, and the value is usually $80 to $100, just to kind of give you an idea. And then I think that's just wrapping paper. We've got one more item in here besides the broken glass, and that is the trachea tube. And these are some big chews. And I don't know what she was thinking, because I have little dogs, but I do have some Parson Russells, and they'll probably be happy to like chow down on one of these trachea tubes. But hey guys, just to recap this on the Pup Mom box, I got the beef trachea tube, chews I guess. I got the Charcoal peel-off mask. I got the socks. I got this really cute Bon Appetit jar that I can put snacks in. I got this Nandy Premium Treats and our dog toys. We got 3 unicorn toys. So that was my box for this month. I don't know that this is adding up the way that it usually does. So even if I was to give everything a $10 value, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, it would just make it to 60. And I know everything's not $10 value, because most of these treats are around $7.99. A pair of socks could be, $9 or so. So I don't know about the value, what she charges, and then what you're getting in the box anymore. Used to, it was really well balanced. You'd get 2 or 3 packs of different kinds of toys, and I guess more items for the mom. But she usually did do 3 items for the mom. And here she's got 3 items for the dog. So, I mean, there's still basically the 5 to 7 items or 6 to 8 items in the box. It just seems a little different, I'm just going to say. But overall, I'm happy with this box. And I wouldn't say that I would never subscribe to it again, because my dogs enjoy the toys and they like the treats. But right now I'm taking a little pause on it. And like I said, might bring in something else. But as for today, that's all I have on the Pup Mom. And be sure and check my description. I've got several things going on. I've got some collaborations. If they're not out already, they will be. They'll be ending, whatever date it says on there. I've got a surprise giveaway out there. And I want to do a giveaway with the Pup Mom, but I guess I'll have to just do it separately because I'd like to put together several of my favorite items that I have and give them out to you all in maybe a special puppy giveaway. So that might be coming up sometime soon. I'm not sure. Be sure and check my channel too because I have a FabFitFun mother-daughter battle, and if it's not out already, it will be, and it has a great giveaway in it. And of course, the battle's fun, so you should be sure and check that out. And as for today, that's all I have, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.
Yeah, you do, don't you? You want all of this too. Oh, there it goes. I come in here and y'all got quiet. Yeah, you even run away from your toys. Y'all like playing on the blanket? They like to chew on now. Yeah. There's some little barbecue girls that are available. Yeah. Not even 3 pounds, and he is available. His name is Bentley. And then we have this Yorkie poo here that never got picked up, so she's available. She needs a little trim. I'll have to take her to the groomers. So yeah, of course that's Maggie. There's Susie and Zoe. And there's them little girls. Y'all so cute. Yes, you are.